Have you ever wondered if your connection with your family is just physical, or does it hold a much deeper spiritual meaning? Perhaps every moment you share with your family carries traces of karma from your past lives. In this video, we won't just scratch the surface of family relationships, but dive into their spiritual and universal dimensions. Why do we get along effortlessly with some family members while constantly clashing with others? Is it mere coincidence, or is it a message your soul is trying to convey? According to ancient teachings, family bonds are not just blood ties. These connections serve as the most powerful teachers in the soul's maturation process. Conflicts within the family are opportunities to learn forgiveness, while moments of love deepen our capacity for compassion. Today, we'll explore the mysterious realm of family bonds through the lens of karma, spiritual transformation, and ancient wisdom. Are you ready to uncover how your family relationships influence both your past and your future? So, are these strong bonds just coincidences, or are they profound puzzles meant to be solved on our spiritual journey? Stay with me until the end of this video, because what you'll learn today will offer a new perspective on your life and your family relationships. If you're not subscribed to my channel, we might not meet again. If you enjoy this topic, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. Remember, without you, we're one person short. While you hit the subscribe button, I'll get started. Let's begin. Have you ever wondered why we get along easily with some family members while constantly clashing with others? Is this merely a personality mismatch, or could it be the result of karma carried over from past lives? Ancient teachings like Buddhism and Hinduism suggest that family bonds are not just physical ties, but also a spiritual inheritance. Our family relationships are vital stages where we learn spiritual lessons and balance our karma. Challenging relationships in particular may reflect unresolved issues from the past. Consider this story. A child is in constant conflict with their father. On the surface, it may seem like a simple generational gap. However, according to ancient teachings, this dynamic might stem from a past life where the father was an unjust leader and the child his victim. Today, this relationship resurfaces to give their souls a chance to understand and balance one another spiritually. Our family bonds carry both traces of the past and lessons for the future. So what could our difficult relationships be trying to teach us? Can we learn these lessons and take stronger steps on our spiritual journey? Perhaps doing so is the greatest gift we can offer both ourselves and our families. Have you ever wondered if your family is simply a source of happiness and support, or if they are a mirror designed to help you grow and transform spiritually? Family is a powerful guide, helping us discover our shortcomings, potential, and deepest lessons. Take, for example, a parent who is impatient with their child. This impatience might reflect the parent's inner unrest. Similarly, a conflict with a sibling could be an opportunity to learn patience and understanding. Every relationship with our family members can serve as a test or a teacher on our spiritual journey. Family dynamics are the foundation where we experience forgiveness, patience, and compassion. Loving moments teach us the value of connection and unconditional love, while challenging times offer opportunities for our soul to mature and deepen. Our family is not just here to bring us happiness, but also to guide us through our spiritual journey and growth. Do you recognize this guidance in your family bonds? How have the lessons you've learned from them transformed you? Have you ever wondered if family ties are merely biological connections, or if they carry a deeper spiritual meaning shaped by ancient wisdom? In Buddhism, Hinduism, and Chinese philosophy, family is seen as a sacred bond that plays a crucial role in our spiritual journey and helps us grasp the essence of life. In Buddhist philosophy, the family is considered a stage for karma and dharma to unfold. Relationships within the family can reflect karma from past lives, offering opportunities to learn spiritual lessons. Every interaction with our loved ones teaches us patience, love, and forgiveness, helping us overcome obstacles on our spiritual path. In Hinduism, the family is the primary community where an individual fulfills their dharma. The Ramayana epic highlights the sanctity of family bonds and the importance of responsibilities. Family acts as a guide, helping individuals find the right path and serve society. In ancient Chinese philosophy, family is described as both a moral and spiritual foundation. Confucius emphasized that love and respect within the family are the cornerstones of society. Harmony and balance within the family form the glue that holds communities together. Family is not just the source of individual transformation, but also the root of societal change. How do your family bonds influence your spiritual journey? How does the love and respect within your family shape your life? Have you ever wondered if family bonds shape not only your past but also your future? According to ancient teachings, the relationships we build with our family today lay the foundation for our spiritual journey ahead. The belief in reincarnation suggests that every new life is a continuation of the experiences from previous ones. This means that our current family relationships are opportunities for spiritual growth and maturation in the future. Family serves as a guide, not just in the present moment, but across the expanse of time, offering lessons necessary for reaching a higher state of consciousness. Family ties are not mere coincidences or the product of chance. They are part of a carefully designed system for the soul's evolution. The familial lessons we've encountered in the past and face today prepare us for a more enlightened existence in the future. How do these connections between past and future shape you? How do the relationships within your family guide your spiritual growth? Today, we uncovered that family bonds are not just physical connections, but also hold profound spiritual significance. These ties are reflections of karma, opportunities for spiritual transformation, and a powerful bridge between the past and the future. Our family relationships serve as a map, helping us understand life's profound lessons and guiding us on our spiritual journey. Have you ever looked at your family connections from this perspective? What messages do your relationships convey as reflections of past karma and spiritual lessons? If this video gave you a new perspective, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Until our next exploration, take care and see you soon.